This is just a quick one. Cup of tea. Real-time clock. A6 GSM phone module. Aerial. Arduino Pro Micro. RS232 to USB converter. This is part of my tracker system in design or development, and this is an issue I've been having, which I thought I'd do a quick video to share with you. Two little LEDs. One tells me when I'm trying to turn power onto that, and the second one is when I'm resetting it. Here you can see a terminal monitor that is monitoring the transmissions coming from here, which is monitoring the data coming out of the phone module. So when I turn it on, we'll see what happens. There's the phone flashing its light as it's powered up, and here's its first information coming out. And here you hear the AT Tiny going a bit crazy. Not Tiny, Pro Micro. Chopping in, dropping out, resetting. But what you'll notice, or I won't notice if you didn't know it, is it stops here. If I take the AT Tiny out of the equation by removing the links down here, so I'm just listening to the modem, we'll see what happens. Right, links are out, phone's disconnected from here. The only connections between the AT Pro Micro and the phone module are the power up line and the reset line. So we'll put power back on. Module's powering up, and then we'll see the data start coming out. And again, it stopped at the C-Reg 0. AT Tiny's having problems and rebooting. Now, had loads. I spent days playing with this, getting nowhere. So we turn that off. Pull the Pro Micro out. Ready for data. Board is currently turned off. Press the power, put power on. Power is on. Press the power up button. The board is powering up, and we should see the data on here. And that's the standard startup sequence. That's what I would expect to see when it turns on. As you can see now, if I put the transmit side from the RS232 in, I will send it AT command and it echoes back. Okay, I can turn off the echo back. So now if I press AT, I'll just get AT sent, OK returned. It hasn't echoed back the commands. And there's a various one here. This one sets the error message to a kind of more English message rather than just saying error 52. That sometimes helps. But again, you can see it went right away through and said that it was registered the network in roaming mode. I see roam up there. So C-Reg 5 is roaming. So the board is happy. Having spent ages trying to work out what was going on, I found it was this. Right, this is what I found the problem to be. See, board's back in, links are in, so that we're talking to the module. Connect the RS232 receive line up and just clear the screen. And what we have now is, instead of this little tiny aerial, we now have a coax feed to an aerial that's about 6 foot away, laying on the floor. So And now we'll power it up and see what happens. Straight through, no issues. And notice that the rest of the commands are going through. And the micro is not constantly resetting itself. Still got errors, but that's the next step. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked it. If you like it, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, drink a cup of tea, and I'll see you on the next one.